Hello everyone, for this opportunity I'm going to explain the task number 3, the consonant and vowel sound. Okay, for that reason I'm moving in the next slip. Okay, the alphabet. The alphabet, as you know, is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, P, W, S, Y, and Z. But today I'm going to explain the IPA alphabet, the International Phonetic Alphabet. Um, the alphabet has 26 letters, but it has uh, 43 sounds. For that reason, we're going to start with the short vowel. The short vowel, we have A, E, I, O, and U. But in the phonetic sound, the phonetic way, that's sound in this way. For example, I'm going to pronounce the sound with this vowel and one example. Okay, we're going to start. E as a G, E as a G, O as a G, O as a Ch, E as a B, E as a teacher, E as a bird, or as a door, A as a cat, A as a R as far, and O as a. This is the vowel. Okay, let's moving on. The diphthong. The diphthong. I'm gonna do the same as at the vowel, but I wanna pronounce the diphthong song. An example. I'm going to start with this ear, E as a here. Okay, let's move in. The next is A as a way, way. Okay, the next is O, O as a tourist. The next is Oi, Oi as a boy. The next is O, O as a child. The next is air, air as a hair. The next is I, I as a mind. And the last one, the diphthong, is O, O as a cold. Okay, the next is the consonant sound. Okay, we're going to start with the first is an example is P. The next is as a back. The next is as a tick. The next is the as a dog. The next is as a chin. The next is as a ch. The next is as a ha. Okay, let's move on in the next. The next sound is g, 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 as like that. The next is as a fly. The next is as a video. Okay, the next is pink. The next is this. The next is C, C, as a sit. The next is as a okay, let's move in the next sound is as a cup. The next is z, z, as a vision. The next is mm, mm, as a man. The next is mm, mm, as a nest. The next is mm, mm, as a sin. The next is hap, as a hap. The next is as a let. The next is or, or, as a run, run. The next is wa, wa, as a what. And the last one is ear, ear, ear. An example is yes, yes. Okay, this was everything for today. Thank you. See you in the next time. I hope you like this video. See you in the next time. Bye bye.